Dan, this time 1 year ago you asked me to marry you. I didn't think a 2-minute conversation at the pub would lead to today, but I'm so glad that we had this conversation. We have accomplished so much together and will do so much more in the lifetime we will be together.
It's not that bad.
We are a pretty awesome team. Being able to work and live together and stay best mates is a pretty big task some days, but we manage to do it pretty well. Most days anyway. That's how I know we'll be together forever. I knew I had found someone special when you asked me out on our first date and we got to listen to all the Lion King songs while you dance with your dogs. I know you sometimes struggle with reading and writing some days, but I know you have the perfect eyesight because you got this. You have given me so much love, overwhelming happiness, and have welcomed me into such a beautiful family that I cherish. I love seeing you smile, even when everything is going wrong. I love how you find positives in everything. I love how patient you are with me, and I vow to try to be as patient with you. I vow to make you proud of me every day on the farm, in our lives, and as we create a family together. I vow to love you forever, as long as you promise to put up with my sassy morning attitude for the rest of our lives.
Lucy, today I stand here before you and this group of family and friends we hold closest to us to make one of the easiest decisions of my life in marrying you. These vows are hard, as it was hard to put how I feel onto paper or into words. One reason was because of my spelling, and I can't get you to proofread it for me like I do everything else. I guess it's just like life. Sometimes it's going to be hard, as you well know, but we will have each other. We have been through hard times already in our, some would say, short relationship. Yes, we have only been together a short time, but I know you are the one for me, as I've never been more confident of anything in my life. I vow that when times get tough, I will stand by you with all my heart. As a team, we will make everything happen together as one. I vow to pick you up when you are down, and those times when you beg me to pick you up literally. I vow to push you as an individual to the best of your ability, as I know you support me to the best of yours. I vow to let you stay in bed each morning for as long as possible, and if I say something about it, it's only because I'm jealous I'm not in there with you. I vow to keep lots of animals around us, but more importantly, as everyone can see, I mean dogs, just so there is always someone to talk to, or get talked at, or to take the heat off me. Most importantly, I vow to love you, and only you, for the rest of our lives. No matter the ups and downs, the highs and lows, the good and the bad, I'll always love you.